Right, simple solution number 37. Answers. Number 1. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Right, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters in the box. That was a simple conversion. All you have to do is write it down. All right, number 2, we have 378,241 plus 256,479. All right, 9 plus 1 is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 14 here. 13 and 6. So 634,920 is the sum. All right, number 3, you have to write this in expanded form. 6,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1. All right, check if you got it. As always, you can pause the video if you need to fix an answer. All right, number 4, we have 600 minus 541. We are looking for the difference of 59. All right, write and solve a number sentence for 4 tripled. You could do 4 3 times, or do 4 times 3 and go m, or m equals 12. Right, the first 5 multiples of 3. Your multiples of 3 are your skip counts. So you can start with 0, or you can start with 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. All right, number 7. Is that acute, obtuse, or right? Hopefully you have acute. Give yourself a check. Choose a sign that makes the sentence true. Remember with fractions that if the denominators are the same, all you have to do is compare those numerators. So 51 is going to be greater than 50. Number 9, we are to round to the nearest 1,000, which is going to be 42,000. Check if you got it. All right, number 10. Sam built a 3.5-foot bridge over the creek. How many inches long was the bridge? All right, so you need to know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. We need to know 3.5 feet. All right, so start with that 3. Do 3 feet to 12 inches. 3 times 12 is 36. Now that half here is a half of a foot. So really it's half of 12, which is 6. So 36 plus 6 is going to give you this answer of 42 inches. Check if you got it. All right, what times 800,000? I'm sorry, what times 10 is 800,000? I sure do hope that all you did here was take a 0 away from 800,000, because that's what it means when you multiply a number by 10. So it would be 80,000. Check if you got that. All right, number 12, electrons are parallel. So remember, the word parallel has a set of parallel lines that never touch. So if you look at A, B, C, and D, A is the correct one. All right, 13. A trawler catches 147 scallops during hour A, 134 during hour B, 103 during hour C, and 66 during hour D. If the trawler catches the same number the next day, how many will it have caught in total? All right, well, total means to add. So I'll have 147, 134, 103, and 66 in hour D. Okay, so I need to figure out how many is in the same number the next day. So So we need to add this up for day 1. 10, 10, which is 20. 10, 5, which is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 450 day 1. So you could do 450 times 2 or 450 plus 450. 0, 10. No, I'm sorry. That's times 50. And then 2 times 400 is 800. So that would be 900 scallops. All right, 14, the angle TSR is a right angle. What is the measure of A? So because you know this whole thing is 90 degrees, the whole thing is 90. So out of 90, you know this part right here is 68. What you don't know is A. Because 90 is your total, subtract off what you already know, and that is going to give you what A is for 22 degrees. All right, last one, 15. You have 62 times 5. Partial products would be my go-to. You can obviously do distributive property. So 2 times 5 is 10. And 5 times 60 is 300. So 310. I will do distributive property. So we'll do 60 plus 2. Multiply each one by 5. You have 10 plus 300. And if you notice, you have the same exact quotients. The same exact partial products for the same exact finished product. 310.